Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we pick up from where we left about choosing the rim and the fitment and the mistakes that I did. As I had mentioned, I was coming from 14-inch steel rims and was upgrading to 15-inch alloy rims. The experts call this brushed metal with an accent of black and some red. Now here are the mistakes that I did when I went shopping for these wheels. One mistake that I did is that I did not compare the size of the bore against the size of the hub. For scalable manufacture, Chinese manufacturers manufacture these wheels with huge bore so that it can be able to accommodate a wide range of vehicles. Turns out my wheel bore was quite big and I needed to come up with a solution. In come hub-centric rings. You have probably not heard about them because tire dealers in Kenya generally do not sell them. After shopping around and seeing how exorbitantly priced the hub-centric rings were, I decided to 3D print my own. I used PLA as an experimental material. Let's talk about the importance of hub-centric rings. These are basically washers that go between the space that exists between the center bore and the vehicle hub. They play an important role of keeping the wheel center before tightening of the bolts. Without these rings, it means that the wheel will be free to move off center before tightening. Once the wheel has been tightened off center, it means that there will be no balance on the wheels. This will cause vibrations when moving at high speeds. This is equivalent to a wheel that has not been balanced. With my 3D printer properly calibrated, the measurements were right on the money. To be sure of safety, I did a stress test on one of the first prints that I did. And after 2 weeks, I checked and found out that it had fared on quite well. Like I mentioned earlier, before shopping for hub-centric rings, you need to know the hub-centric specifications. This is basically the size of the wheel center bore and the size of the vehicle wheel hub. Some wheel or rim manufacturers have been thoughtful enough to stamp the size of the bore on the back of the wheel. The size of the hub will usually be listed on the car manufacturer's website. For example, in my case, which is the Nissan Note, the hub size has been listed at 60.1 millimeters, and I knew from measurement that my wheel bore was 73.1 millimeters. Therefore, the correct hub-centric ring that I needed to buy or 3D print was a conversion between 73.1 millimeters to 60.1 millimeters. After refitting, this is how the wheel turned out. Join me in the next video where I show you how I upgraded the body kit of the car. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.